Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cake box with the minimum materials and tools at your home. These are the things you need: a ruler, a paper cutter, a piece of double tape, this type of a transparent sheet, a plate saucer at your home, and a pen. And also need a thick board like 300 GSM box board. These are the only materials and tools needed for making this box. Okay, let's get started now. First you have to clearly draw this shape on the dark side of the board. This is a 10 by 10 inches box. Now I'm going to draw the shape. These are the measurements, and you have to make sure to draw the accurate measurements. Okay, let's continue with the drawings. Actually, this is very easy to draw. Just follow the way I'm doing. Now I'm going to draw the curved lines. For this you can use that plate saucer. This is how the final view of the shape looks like. The next step that is very important, it is the cutting part. In this diagram you can see I have highlighted two lines, red and blue. Remember, the red lines are cutting lines, but the blue lines are just for creasing. Now follow these guidelines and start cutting using the ruler and the paper cutter. In this part, especially you have to cut 2.5 inches straight line. Actually, this is for locking the box. Likewise, the other three edges are also to be cut similarly. To cut the curved edges, you can use that plate saucer again. Now almost done the cutting part. Next we will do the creasing. For that you can use a waste pen without ink. Now creasing is done. Fold all the creased lines like this. The next step is cutting the 6 by 9 inches window as shown in the diagram. Now paste your transparent sheet here using a piece of double tape. You can easily paste it following the techniques I have used here. Now the transparent sheet should also be folded in line with the creased line here. All the cutting and creasing are completely done. Now let's finalize the box like this. This is the end of the video. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and sharing.